अथ व्रजन् राजपथेन माधवः स्त्रियं गृहीताङ्गविलेपभाजनम् विलोक्य कुब्जां युवतीं वराननाम् पपृच्छयान्तीं प्रसन्नरसप्रदा का त्वं वरोर्वे तनुवानुलेपनम् कस्याङ्गने वा कथयस्व साधुना देयावयोऽङ्गविलेपमुत्तमम् श्रेयस्ततस्ते न चिरात् भविष्यति. Hello, the beautiful one. As soon as Sri Krishna spotted a perfuming young girl holding a basket of sandal paste with her friends walking hurriedly, he shouted aloud on the streets of Mathura capital. The girl stopped and looked at Krishna. Their eyes met. Their eyes tangled up, came right before him. Krishna said, "Where are you going when I am here?" "Hi, the handsome one," she responded with big question unasked. "Hi, the handsome one." And Krishna said, "Who are you? Nowadays, who are you? I think I saw you somewhere." Krishna said, "Where? Where? Where? In London airport? Or in Brussels? Or in the Stockholm University lawn? Oh no. Now I know. I saw you in the woodland of Dandakaranya near Panchavati. As soon as you saw me last time, you had proposed me for marriage. In a complete American style. My brother became angry and caught you, chopped off your ears and nose. You became doubly angry and brought your 3 brothers with army of 14,000 warriors to fight with me. They fought and died. You then became 100 times more angry and brought your mighty big brother from distant island. And he also fought a ferocious war and died. Then you went to hilltop and meditated. You also came to Sita during the second banishment in Valmiki Ashram. Do you remember all that, Shurpanakha? Oh, the handsome one, the girl said, that dream I saw a while ago, but you keep on talking although I don't understand a bit. I don't want to understand. I just want to hear you endlessly. Krishna said, "Who are you, dear, nowadays? What do you do for living?" "Oh, handsome one, know me as Sarandri. I am head of the makeup department of Gymnasium in King Kansa's palace. The whole palace loves my art. Though those are my students. She pointed out 6 girls who came with her. But that's the bygone past, dear. That's history now. Ever since I saw you, I have fallen in deep love, in deep love with you. But I cannot dare to ask you to marry me. I still tremble. I tremble. What happened to me in that terrible dream? But I cannot help myself, oh beloved stranger. Oh my darling. Oh my foreigner darling. I am sinking in the deep ocean of your love. Sinking, sinking. Don't know where I'll land on to. All Mathurian teenage girls suddenly got shocked. Exactly the same. We are also feeling, but she alone got the courage to speak out her heart. Oh, how bold she is. I want to touch her feet. Krishna said, then why are you delaying, dear? Display your artwork right now. Here, see, we have new clothes, fresh garlands, only sandal paste is missing. So hurry up. As a prominent nymph of heaven, you are famous as Nayantara, under the express command of Indra trying to confuse a yogi, and you were cursed to be demoness, the ogress. That's who you are, Shurpanakha. And now you are Kubja, your Sarandri. So hurry up, hurry up. I immediately she immediately prepared and she instructed her friends to get busy and they artistically pasted, decorated and perfumed each friend of Krishna decorated, my dear friend. She stood before Krishna and he indicated his brother be pasted first. And she did very well, pasted red sandal paste. Then stood before Krishna and pasted saffron mixed yellow sandal paste with musk and kumkum and other flower extracts. Entire vicinity filled with a levitating perfume. Then what happened, my dear friends? Prasanno Bhagavan Kubjam. And since pleasure of great one is instant bestower of fortune, Krishna wished. What he wished, my dear friends? Rijvi kartum manaschakre. Rijvi kartum manaschakre darshayan darshane phala. To hear her hunchback, to heal her hunchback, he desired to heal her hunchback. So, as he pressed her toes with his toe, 2 fingers on her chin, and straightened her up, pressing and pulling her hips up a little bit. And Madhumangal shouted, "Hello, Prince! This is your Guru speaking. This is not our Vrindavan, but Mathura city, the capital. And there are not our gopis to wrangle with all the time. keep a distance from Mathurian ladies. But before Madhumangal could complete his verse, bone crackling sound was heard, and to utter surprise of all, her hunchback completely vanished. She became a stunningly beautiful teenage girl. Wow, what a magical therapist! And since then, acupressure, arts of healing started, my dear friends. Tato Rupa Gunaudarya Sampanna Prakeshavam Uttariyantama Krishya Smayanti Jataricchaya. Shocked with immense surprise, everybody saw in an instant that hunchback girl became astoundingly beautiful. Her eyes filled with mad love, pulled the scarf of Krishna, and compounded with all the arts of begging, she said, Eri Viragryam Yamo. Ehi viragryam yamo natvam tyaktumihotse. Darling, my golden love, what for are we waiting now? Come to my home. Kansa is dead. Kansa is a history. World is evaporated away. Brahmatmakya has already happened to me. And let's go to my home to celebrate the festival of togetherness. And she looked around and shouted, all the ladies, all gentlemen, all please come to my home for feast. Tomorrow I have met my golden love today. Then she looked up and said, O spring, begin to shower flowers. O sun, reduce your scorch. O moon, increase your cool radiance. O breeze, mix some unique perfume in your wave. Stop, dear, I will come for sure, but after cleansing up this city. But it's already very cleaned. I mean, clean up wicked people, crooked people, demons. Then I will come for sure. I have tough job ahead to be done, Krishna said. That is unburdening the earth. But I promise you, I will come. Through intense, long meditation, your intensified moha and mad, because of which you were demoness, flung away. Moh means immense body infatuation. Mad means a kind of mania to take revenge with everyone who think, act, speak differently from you. You intensified body obsession and rape and loot and kill mania will be born as Muhammad in future. He will start a cult of body obsession with rob and rape and convert and kill mania, whose human flaw will use burqa in memory of your nose and ear cut off face. Once this calamity is out, you became clean where love naturally arises, but still you have aggressive love, very aggressive love, and Americans and Europeans like love, and not as a coy and bashful and sensitive and submissive love of Vedicans. But anyway, I accept both. So here we meet. Sarandri said, okay dear, displeasing you is extremely dangerous. I only know what I have been through all these 1,000,000 years. Even Christian hell and Muslim hell and Hindu hell all put together will run away screaming, seeing my pain and torture. That much I suffered. But I take your words. Do me a favor. All great men as yourself like to give boon to people whenever they meet. Would you like to give me one, please? Definitely. Do ask, dear. Please ask. And Sarandri said, I don't want anything. Just answer me one question. Ask, please, Krishna said. And Kubja said, do you really love someone, or is it always a part of your earth unburdening business? And she began crying and ran away crying loudly.